In this business, how do you become profitable? And I want to repeat that word like 17 more times. Profitable, profitable, profitable. Okay, you get my point. The thing is here is there's a lot of agents and teams. They make a lot of money. I'm not going to lie. They'll say they make $1 million, $2 million, $3 million, 17 million in GCI. All right. But it's not about how much money they make. It's about how much money they're able to net or how much money they're able to get in their pocket. All right. So the thing is I've run a team. I've had teams. I've bought leads and, from the Z word and the R word and, I don't even know how many words there are out there. Okay. But it's an expensive way to run a business. And what I found over my 22 years, the easiest way to run an effective business model is to do one thing and one thing well. Pick up the phone, make some phone calls. Because I've become a numbers guy in my old age. I'm going to break down some numbers for you here, okay? Let's say that you prospect. It's prospecting. It's not cold calling. It's called prospecting for a reason because we're prospecting for gold here. All right, let's say we prospect 5 days a week. 5 days a week and you call 3 hours a day. That's 15 hours a week of prospecting time. You could do less. Like I said, for me right now, I'm at one appointment for every 9 contacts. So I don't have to prospect for 3 hours. I just don't have to. But I choose to because I'm in a new market and I got to get some business. So let's say you prospect 5 days a week, 3 hours a day, 15 hours, and you were able to secure 4 appointments a week. Now, let's say 50% of those cancel on you. That means you're at 2 listing opportunities a week. Now, let's say your conversion rate, because you're newer, may not be the best, or you've been doing this for a while and you need to up your skills and up your game. Let's say you converted 50%. That's 1 listing a week. Let's say that we work 50 weeks out of the year. I don't know, my math isn't where it used to be, but 1 times 50 equals 50, all right? And out of those, let's say your average $10,000 a pop. Maybe once again, my math isn't very good, but that's $500,000 a year. That's right, I said it. $500,000 a year from doing one activity 15 hours a week. If that's not effective, and this is being a listing agent, so you're not talking about working nights, you're not talking about working weekends. You get to run your schedule by focusing on one activity for 15 hours a week, picking up the phone and prospecting people. So if that's not a way to make $500,000, I don't know what is.